Welcome to Papa's Workshop. You know, the grandkids love to have their favorite posters and artwork hanging in the house. And it's not a whole lot of fun just to have it where it's just taped to the wall or taped to the door. It's very easy to be able to get the poster frames that are extremely inexpensive and be able to put the artwork and their favorite posters in those frames and hang them on the wall. Today I want to show you just a few little tips that you can use to be a little bit more successful with those very fragile, inexpensive poster frames. So let's get started. Now this poster frame's 18 by 24, and this poster is one of his favorite characters. Now these are very inexpensive to get at any of the little craft stores or at Walmart. But the plastic frame itself just slips on and is held by friction. The clear acrylic will help protect it. So again, it's very inexpensive and these just slip right off. Now when you take them off, the problem that you have is when you slip them back on, they will come off again. So the first thing, let's go ahead and get this protective film off of the acrylic. And again, this acrylic is extremely lightweight and rather fragile. Now what I'm going to do, instead of just taking the advertisement on this, I just flip that over so it exposes the white portion of the paper. Because that way when I put the poster down, it actually gives you a little bit better view of the poster itself rather than having that cardboard showing through. So go ahead and just flip it over, have the white paper showing, and then put the poster down. The acrylic can go right back down on top of it, and then you can go ahead and start putting these little fragile frame pieces that are just simple little plastic back into position. And you just start at one end and you work it all the way down. Now these will have a tendency to slip off because they will slide left and right, and if you have any movement at all on these little picture frames, this will fall off, and you don't want to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and take just a moment and put these back on. Then I want to show you a little trick to be able to hold this together so it will be a lot more durable. Now the one good thing, in fact, that you can slide these left and right, is that you can get the miter joint where it's a pretty good joint. It's not going to be perfect because again, this is a very inexpensive frame and you're really not looking at the frame, you're looking at the poster. But by sliding these little plastic pieces left and right, you can create a pretty good miter joint on each end. Now this is being done in real time. I'm not cutting out any of the parts and pieces of the video, so you can see just how quick it is to be able to put these together. And once you have it in place, you gotta admit, it looks a whole lot better than just a plain poster that you're going to stick on the wall. Having it framed like this is much nicer. Now let's get started with the tricks. All the magic is going to happen on the back side. What you want to be able to do is make sure that all the miter joints are nice and tight and everything looks good on the front side. And then flip it over. Now the first thing you want to do is again just double check it all, make sure it looks good, and then that's right, you're going to get out the hot glue gun. Now the first thing is this little clip was actually pulling out and it was loose. So I went ahead and put some hot glue in to that little clip so that it's not going to come loose. And then the next thing, just put a little dot of glue on each of these corners on the mitres. Now there's no weight that's holding because that little metal clip is going to be holding the weight. But by putting that little dot of hot glue on each of the miter joints, it makes it where it's going to hold it together and it's not just going to slip off. Now the beauty about this, should you need to change the poster, that glue is not going to prevent you from just going ahead and pulling this frame apart and putting in a new poster. But it certainly will make this last a lot longer and you're not going to have to worry about it falling apart. Use the hot glue, it works every time. Thank you for watching the video today. I know it was real short, but I hope you was able to pick up a few little tips to be able to help keep those poster frames together a little bit easier. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell notification. It really does help. And until next time, I look forward to seeing each and every one in the next project that I do.